Hey everybody, this is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining us. Today I want to show you this right here. This is the Tusk Billet adjustable brake pedal that we have for the BMW R 1300 GS. What makes this a great upgrade over the stock brake pedal is just like the name says, it's adjustable. So whether you have a large foot or a small foot, doesn't matter. There are 5 different mounting points for this tip on here to get that either closer or farther away from the foot peg to have that in the most comfortable location for you while you are riding. It's made from billet aluminum, black anodized finish. It is a folding tip as well to help prevent any damage if you were to go over or if something were just to hit that. The spikes or the cleats on here offer a ton of grip. And again, if you want to be able to have the adjustment forward or back for your brake pedal, then this is exactly what you need. If you have any questions or comments about it, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab this for your bike, just click the link down in the description or head to RockyMountATVMC.com. And while you're there, be sure to check out all the other great options that Tusk has for the 1300 GS. As you can see right here, we have the Edge billet aluminum foot pegs, which are a larger platform, more comfortable, better grip than the stock foot pegs, lower crash bars. We have an adjustable shift lever on the other side of this bike, and a whole lot more. So to stay updated on cool products like these for your bike, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.